From these storms, the damage can be devastating, from flooded homes to trees crashing right through your roof. So what's actually covered by insurance, and what do you do if you have insurance and if you don't? So we're joined now by Nathan Mason with Insurance Professionals of Arizona. So Nathan, thank you for being here. I appreciate it. Let's start by what is covered. So we saw the trees crashing through roofs. We saw downed trees. We saw some flooding. What's covered?
You're right, it's wind damage. Wind damage making things fall over on your house, that's covered. Wind damage rips off your roof, that's going to be covered. Wind damage pretty much is going to be covered in almost all regards. Now the tree falling in your yard, not hitting a structure, not going to be covered by your homeowner's policy. Yeah, that's just your responsibility. A leaky roof, which comes a lot, even if your roof's a little bit older, might be covered by your policy if there's no exclusion for it. So it's always important, of course, read your policy. I'll say that to everybody. Read your policy. If you don't understand it, talk to your agent and let them explain it to you so you know what's covered. But remember, wind damage, when these storms come around, pretty much always covered.
But flooding, we saw a lot of flooding. People near these washes, people near canals, water going into their homes, and that generally is not covered. I was surprised to hear that.
Most homeowners just believe it's going to be covered. We live in Arizona. A lot of people don't think about flood, even though we're riddled with washes and water bodies all over the place. We channel them to the rivers or wherever the diversions, but we still have those opportunities where we get too much rain that it can't be handled. And flood is not covered. Flood is primarily offered through FEMA, through the National Flood Insurance Program. That's used to be the only option available. You had to pay a lot of money, sometimes thousands of dollars, just to get the coverage for your home, depending on what you're looking for. And it still only caps out like $250,000 in coverage. It's not designed to cover your entire home.
Right. Just cleaning up the flood damage. Like you said, it's something we don't think about in Arizona, but if you're near a wash, maybe you should think about it going forward. All right. Now, for those of us who have not had any damage to our homes, we were talking earlier, you said this could be hundreds of millions of dollars in damage, and it could cause all of our premiums to go up.
Absolutely. Anytime there's a severe occurrence, there's going to be damages or extenuating circumstances that cause premiums to go up. It's inevitable. They try to make way or fill the coffers, you could say, to have the money to pay out all the claims, but it depends on what extenuating circumstances and how high the costs go.
Wow, because a lot of people have seen their insurance jump quite a bit in the last year or two, right? Already.
The hardest market we've had, insurance market we've had in 30 years. So rates have just gone up double, triple, just because of how the market went. Not anybody's fault except inflation and cost of things.
All right, and quickly, you're an insurance broker. Is it smart to call a broker and try to shop around and see what the best deals are right now?
As an insurance broker, I'll always encourage it.
Okay, great. Nathan, thanks for coming in.
Absolutely.
Appreciate it.